Hello guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this particular video we are going to be talking about the latest update about the near mobile wallet airdrop. What you need to do right now to position for this airdrop, if you are just hearing about it for the first time, we are going to be talking about the launching date and of course where you can be able to swap your token when they finally launch it. So make sure you watch the video till the end. It is going to be very short, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to benefit from this particular project airdrop if you are just hearing about it for the first time. Okay, so before we start the video properly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please kindly do well to click on the subscription button down below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video you'll be the first to know about it. Also go ahead to give this video a thumbs up, then finally share this video to any particular community of yours or family and friends, and drop an interesting comment. Okay, so we also do Tone Coin giveaway. So if you want to be getting Tone Coin, just make sure that you interact and engage in our channel. Just do all I just mentioned right now, and you stand a chance of earning yourself free Tone Coin. We announce them on Telegram. So over here right now, let's check out the latest update from this particular project. So you can see over here, near mobile Twitter account reposted what Bull DeFi actually said. So let me gather some information right here. They said according to him and according to what is fact, this token is going to be launching on 15th of December, meaning that on the 15th of December you are going to be able to trade the airdrop reward that you are going to be getting for participating on this particular airdrop. So you are going to be able to swap it or trade it on the 15th of December 2025. Also, you can see right here he went ahead to give us the the exchanges that are going to be listing this token, and of course he went ahead to show us what we should be expecting. Like he said right here, the first thing, Pro is going to be launching on the 15th of December on Near protocol, making one of the most anticipated drops in the ecosystem. And the liquidity pool are going live on Rare Finance and Near Intent, giving you instant access to swapping, positioning, and building your early stake. Now this second one really matters a lot, because on this exchange, that is where we are going to be able to trade our token when it finally launches. Remember, you are going to be earning what we call Pro, and this Pro is going to be, you can trade it for maybe USD or Near token itself. All right, so right now this is the thing you need to know right now. And coming over here to the third one, it says that Pro holder gets access to a suite of new feature, utility, and reward that rolls out immediately after launch. Early positioning matters because these two are built to benefit long-term mobile stakers first. All right, so right now he went ahead to give some other details right here, but we have actually read out the most important one. So let me tell you what you need to do. So first thing is to click the link on the video description box. It is going to be bringing you right to where you are going to be able to download this app, or you can just go straight to your Play Store or Apple Store, download this Near mobile app. Very important. Once you just download it, open it up, and once you open it up, this is how your interface the interface looks. And from here, what you need to do is to go ahead and deposit some near right here. The token called Near is sold on so many exchanges. For example, let me show you where you can buy Near. Okay, so I will just reload this real quick. Okay, and from here right now, then let me just show you. Let's get some information about the Near token so that you know where to buy it. Okay, so just give it a little time to load up, and here we have it. This is it. I will just click on it. Okay, and here we have it right now. You can see that Near is actually trading around $1.63 at the point of making this video. When you come over here to market, you will see these are the exchanges that are currently selling or trading this particular coin called Near. Okay, so over here right now you can see that there are a lot of exchange right here. These are the places that you can buy it so easily and then withdraw it into this particular Near mobile app. Okay, withdraw it into this app. And if you look closely right here, you can see we have 13 days before you finally miss this opportunity of earning the near protocol airdrop. So over here right now, when I click over here on this, you can see this button down here. Click on it. When you click on it, then you can see the staking is going to end after 13 days, meaning that after 13 days you will no longer going to be able to earn what we call earn pro. Okay, you won't be able to earn what we call earn pro. Okay, but if you stake before this time ends, then you are going to be earning what we call earn pro. Earn pro is what you are going to later sell. Okay, that is like the airdrop reward, which you will later sell, then make your money from it. So over here right now, for me to be able to start participating on this airdrop properly, first thing I need to do is to fund my wallet with a coin called near, which I've already shown you how to get. Then I will come over here, then I'm gonna have to stake it. Well, if you stake it, then your reward will start counting. Okay, so right now I will click on stake and earn pro right here. I will click on it. Once you click on it, then you can see you need to select the amount you want to stake, and of course you need to be staking over here. Okay, so over here you can see there is no fee right here. I will just go ahead to stake. I will just leave some because of gas fee. Okay, I will leave something right here. I will stake 0.9, sorry, I mean 9.5 rather. So I will stake 9.5 and I will leave the other one, so that I will use it to cover my gas fee later in the future. So I will click on continue right now, and as simple as it is, then you are almost done. You simply need to confirm it, then you will be good to go from there. Okay, so you can see over here you need to confirm what you are doing, amount of near you are staking, where you are staking it to, and of course the little fee involved, which is of course 0.003. that's negligible. Okay, I will click on confirm and stake right now. I need to confirm my password. Then right now, in just a short period of time, all this will be up and running right now. And remember that the higher you stake, the higher the amount of near you are staking, the faster your reward is going to count. So right now I've successfully staked my near, and of course right now I need to just click on done, then we are good to go. Looking over here, you can see that my balance right here has changed, and of course over here you can see this is my old balance right here. Okay, so over here right now, what do I need to do next? What I need to do next right now is to just sit back and relax. The near you are staking, which is the near you bought and stake, is still yours. You can choose to unstake it anytime. So for example right here, if I want to unstake it, I will simply come over here to my staking. I will click on this, then I can unstake whenever I want. You can see the unstake button down here. I can unstake it immediately and use the money for whatever I want. And looking back right here on the overview, you can see this is the earn pro that I have earned through staking. You can see when I go back right here on this page, you can see I have 4.9 earn pro right here. And of course if you check the overview, we understand that I've earned it. I only earn 1.29 earn pro through staking. So the remaining balance right here, when you minus the one that I earned through staking, are the ones that I got during the campaign. That was when we were asked to follow the X account, do some few simple stuffs and refer people. Okay, so this is basically all you need to know right now. And on the 15th of December, you can then unstake your token, sell it back probably at a higher price, and then even sell your reward for staking and make even more money. Okay, so this is all you need to know right now regarding this project airdrop. I'll be talking to you guys on the next update that is going to be dropping very, very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that, and wait for more updates as I'm going to be bringing it to you guys hot back to back. Thank you, and do have a lovely day.